To make hazelnut orange brittle, toast 65 grams of hazelnuts for about 5 minutes and rub the nuts together inside of a kitchen towel to remove most of the skin. Chop them into a uniform small size, then in a heavy bottom saucepan, scale 100 grams sugar, 50 grams homemade orange marmalade, a pinch of salt, and 25 grams of water. Bring to a boil, and when your candy thermometer reaches around 250 degrees Fahrenheit or over 120 degrees Celsius, add the 65 grams of chopped hazelnuts and mix them in. Continue to stir until the sugar mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius. Next, remove from the heat and add 15 grams room temperature butter. Then, working quickly, mix in 3 grams of baking soda and pour onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Spread the brittle as thin as possible and allow it to cool for at least 15 minutes. The brittle will be a little sticky but break apart easily with your fingers. Stored in an airtight container, the hazelnut orange brittle will keep for a couple of months.